So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another problem to fix. Outlook search not working, maybe it shows nothing, misses emails or can't find older messages. Before you reinstall Office or reset everything, there's a much faster fix path. In this video, I'll walk you through the 6 real fixes using Outlook on Windows, starting with the simplest checks and moving on deeper to fixes that actually solve the problem. Carry on with me. So, firstly, we need to identify the exact problem. Before fixing anything, check what kind of issue you have. Try searching for something you know exists. Now look at the result. No result at all, likely search scope or indexing issue. Partial results, indexing incomplete or settings issues. And if you get missing older emails, it's the offline sync limitation. This step helps you avoid fixing the wrong thing. And to start with the fixes, let's check the search scope. Go to the search bar inside Outlook. Look at the scope option. You have current folder, subfolders, current mailbox, and all Outlook items. If it's set to current folder, Outlook will only search that one folder. You need to switch it to current mailbox or all Outlook items. Then run the search again. This alone fixes a lot of missing emails issues and gets you your emails back on track. If you're using the new Outlook, let's include deleted items. Search may exclude deleted items by default. So, after searching, look for filter options and include deleted items. This is useful if you're trying to find something you removed earlier. Next, let's increase offline mail retention by checking if older emails are even downloaded. Now, go to File, Account Settings, then Account Settings again. Select your account, and then go to Change. Look for Mail to Keep Offline. If it's set to 3 months or 1 year, then older emails won't appear in search because they are not stored locally. Just set it to All. Wait for Outlook to download older emails, then search again and see if the problem is still going on. Outlook search depends heavily on Windows search, so let's check Windows indexing. Go to Control Panel. Then Indexing Options. Check if Microsoft Outlook is listed. If not, click Modify, then Enable Outlook. Without indexing, search will be incomplete or broken and you may find no results at all, so check and see if the problem persists. If indexing is enabled but results are still wrong, let's rebuild Search Index. In Indexing Options, click Advanced. Then Rebuild. This will delete the search index and rebuild it from scratch. It's important to know that this can take time depending on mailbox size. During this process, search results may be incomplete, but they improve as indexing finishes, so all you have to do is wait it out. And finally, let's check one of the most overlooked fixes. Press Windows plus R. Then type services.msc. Find Windows Search. Make sure status is running and startup type is automatic. If it's stopped, Outlook search won't work properly. Start it, then restart Outlook. And that's the full path to fix Outlook search problems, starting from simple scope issues all the way to rebuilding the search system. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more real Outlook and Windows fixes. And if your search is still broken, tell me exactly what it shows and I'll help you narrow it down. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.